In this lecture, we will discuss about oversight, which is the fifth category of the function govern. Let us now discuss about the fifth category, that is oversight. It has total three subcategories. First subcategory requires that cybersecurity risk strategy outcomes are reviewed to update the strategy and direction. Second subcategory requires to review and adjust the strategy as per the requirement and risk. Third subcategory requires to evaluate the performance of the cybersecurity risk management. To comply with all the three subcategories mentioned above, what you need to do is to define the measurable cybersecurity KRIs, to measure the KRIs at periodic interval. Results of the measurement should be placed at appropriate committee. Records of minutes of the meeting to demonstrate that KRIs are reviewed and strategy is adjusted as required. Refer clause 18 of our template 1, that is cybersecurity policy. We have defined few important KRIs and how that can be measured. You may like to use the same KRIs and modify according to your organizational requirement. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss the last category of govern, that is cybersecurity supply chain risk management. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.